Fifth grade, chapter 11, review. Vocabulary. Choose the best term for or from the box. A blank has two congruent polygons as bases and rectangular lateral faces. So would that be
Prism.
a prism? A blank has only one base and a triangular lateral faces. Pyramid. Concepts and skills. Name each polygon. Tell whether it is a regular polygon or not a regular polygon. So in your directions, you need to say name the polygon, and then you need to say whether it's a regular or a not regular polygon. A lot of, on the last assignment you guys did, or the mid-chapter checkpoint, you guys just put if it was regular or not regular. You never said what kind of polygon it was. So number 3, what kind of polygon is that? So it is a hexagon, and then is it regular or not regular? Okay, so hexagon, and then regular. Number 4, what is that? What shape? Pentagon. And then regular or not regular? Regular. Because all of the sides are what? Are equal and all the angles are congruent, right? Okay, same with number 3. Number 5, it's a pentagon. Pentagon, and is it regular or not regular?
Not regular.
Not regular because all of the angles are not congruent, right? And number 6, what shape is that?
Octagon.
It's an octagon. Regular or not regular?
Not regular.
Not regular because all the length or all the sides are not the same length, right? Okay, classify each figure in as many ways as possible. So this is where you could have more than just one name for it, right? Okay, so number 7, it's for sure a what?
Trapezoid.
Well, trapezoid, but a quadrilateral, right? Anything else for that one?
No.
No? Okay, number 8,
Triangle.
be a triangle. And what type of triangle? A right triangle. And then also you can identify it as isosceles, scalene, or equilateral. And which one would it be? Equilateral means all the sides are the same length. Are all the sides the same length? No, so you can get rid of that like a scalene, right? Classify the solid figure, right? Prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder, or sphere. Number 9, what would that be? A prism. Number 10 would be a pyramid. Number 11, count the number of cubes used to build each solid figure. So how many cubes?
4.
So 4 unit cubes. Number 12, 7 unit cubes. And then number 13, 5. All right, so number 14, you need info. Number 15, you need info. Number 16, you need info. And you need to show work. 17, you need to info and then show work. Number 18, you need info. And number 19, you need info and to show work. Constructor response. The video game store made a display of game console boxes shown at the right. The length, width, and height of each game console box is 2 feet. What is the volume of the display of game console boxes? Show your work and explain your answer. 512 feet cubed because each box has an edge of 2 feet. So then, therefore, there's 4 little boxes for each edge. So we said 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 got us 8. So each edge of the large box would be 8 feet. So volume equals length times width times height. So 8 times 8 equals 64. And 64 times 8 equals 512. On a busy Saturday, the video game store sold 22 game consoles. What is the volume of the game console box that are left? We said 336 feet cubed because the volume of each little box is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So 22 boxes would have a volume of 176 feet cubed. Then we took our 512 of the big box minus 176, and we got 336. So we needed because in here. Performance task. Look for 2 pictures of 3-dimensional buildings in newspapers and magazines. The buildings should be rectangular prisms. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and cross the performance task. Okay, so for the practice for your homework, don't forget to name each polygon and then also say whether it's a regular polygon or if it's not a regular polygon. So put your little semicolon here so you don't forget to do both. On number 11.2, classify each triangle, write isosceles, scalene, or equilateral. Then write acute, obtuse, or right. So you need to circle this, and you also need to circle this. So both of those will have how many answers? 2, right? Lesson 11.3, classify the quadrilateral as many ways as possible. Write either quadrilateral, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, or trapezoid. So for number 1, you will have 3 things that you guys will identify it as. Number 2, you guys will have 2. And then, of course, we'll use those things above it to help you do that. Okay? All right. Next page. Okay, so 11.4. Sasha has a triangle with vertices AB and C. The triangle has 3 congruent angles. She wants to show that triangle ABC has 3 congruent sides, but she does not have a ruler to measure the lengths of the sides. How can she show that the triangle has 3 congruent sides? So you'll have to give your reasoning as to how she could do that to figure that out without a ruler. Number 11.5, classify the solid figure. Write prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder, or shape. So we'll have to figure out what those are. Then number 11.6 to 11.10, you guys need to show work. And you also need to give what?
Label.
A label. But you also need to do what in your work?
Formula.
Give a formula in your work. So before you get started, you need to make sure you have a formula up there as well. 11.11. One aquarium is 12 inches long, another is 15 inches long, and a third is 18 inches long. They all are 18 inches deep and 12 inches wide, which aquarium can hold exactly 3,240 cubic inches of water. So you're going to have to show work out 3 problems. Yes. Okay, so you're going to have to do info. You're going to have to show work. And then you're going just to basically have to tell me as your answer, you need to either say 12 inches, the 15 inches, or the 18 inches. Okay, well, and that would be your label of inches, right? But you need to tell me which one of those 3, so which one of these 3 choices would get you the 3,240. Okay, all right.